Hey, hi guys. Are you wondering which coins to buy before the next leg of bull run and where the Bitcoin price will be by the end of December? So you are at the right place. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the crypto journey with me. Hi guys, my name is Yash Dahankar. I'm the founder of Acknowledger and BitGenie, and today I'm going to explain you the current market situation. What is the status of the market, how the coins are going to perform, how they are performing, and what we can expect in the next week. Let's start the journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By the way, we'll start the yeah. So if you look at the first of all, let's look at the market, overall market, how it's doing. So the market cap is 2.1 billion, a trillion, which is there's a little bit of increase, and even the BTC dominance has increased a little bit. That means the money is flowing in the Bitcoin right now. Uh, if you see the market is right now going up again a little bit, and some of the projects are doing amazing like last week this edge bar and all those, they performed. Even avex, they performed really amazing. Like avex increased 43%. That's crazy growth for a infrastructure project with such a high market valuation. And good projects are coming up, and infrastructure projects, they have a lot of hype right now, like avex, phantom, solana. Okay, so keep close watch on that. And even edge bar, so they are doing amazing right now. And so overall the market looks great. And if you see in terms of the last week, like we saw that Shibu Inu increased a lot due to the Coinbase listing, which was unexpected. And one kind of a good contender for this week was audio. It performed really well. But let's see how the technically market is and what we can expect in the next week. So if you see the Bitcoin graph, it still has a resistance right now at for that 48,000 level. And if you see, there's a lot of growth right now. Like it has to, once we cross this 50K resistance level, I think there will be our next leg up, and then we might touch all-time high by the end of December. And not December, I think we'll cross the all-time high maybe in October or November, and then it will go parabolic. Mostly all the coins will go parabolic. Conditions apply. The conditions are like the market must stay bullish, and there should be no black swan event. Okay, like there must be no, like say USDT FUD or anything out in the market. Okay, so we need to be prepared. By the way, when you are entering the market, like be ready. Like always kind of, even in spot position, try to have a stop loss. Because when you are stop loss, as in like say put it like 30-40% below your buying, but in case the market goes down crazy, you have that at place. So try to kind of have that over there. And so overall the Bitcoin looks good right now. I think it's going up. This is the daily chart. Let's look at the hourly. So this time to, it's almost there. It breaking out. Okay, trying to break out. So let's see if there's volume, will soon break out. So let's see how the market will go. And if you see the Bitcoin longs, they are going up. Where they went down, then the market corrected. Now they are going up. And let's see the shorts. Okay, the shorts is the interesting. Like BTC shorts were stable. Let's see BTC shorts as well. Yeah, so the shorts, they are not increasing, so that's a good sign. So longs are increasing. So that means there's a lot of buying pressure right now in the market, which is a good sign. And I think so the next few months will be really interesting. You can make enough money to kind of do whatever you want. Even life-changing money can be made if you play it very smartly. Okay, and in terms of Bitcoin dominance, like say if you see overall, I told you, like in order for us to start the next like altcoin season, like every coin is going like crazy, 50-100% returns. And so for that we need to break this the Bitcoin, this is the dominance chart. So we are sitting at around 41.7%. so we need to go below like 40%, around 35. Okay, so what it will mean is the money will start flowing from Bitcoin to the other altcoins. Okay, so that's what we need right now. And once we have that, we'll have amazing traction as well, and all the projects, they will do amazing. Okay, and some of them will fly parabolic because people will look for diversification as well. Okay, and right now there's a lot of hype going on in metaverse and gaming NFTs. So keep close watch on all those projects. They are going to do amazing. Okay, coming few months. Okay, also. Uh, I think there's a USDT fund still happening, but a lot of ETFs are going to launch. Okay, so keep watch on them as well. So next week, I think there are a lot of ETFs that are going to get launched. So a lot of money will flow in the market. Trillions of dollars worth of, I think, investment will flow. Let's see, but billions, that is for sure. Okay, and from institutions, I personally think a lot of institutions will start buying the ETFs, and because nobody wants to be left behind in the rally. And when the points, they start moving up and this dominance goes down, you will not have time to kind of pick up. You'll regret. Okay, so this is for next 3 till December. Try to focus on this and put all an energy, put your all of energy and soul over here. Like just focus. Like spend, if you are you're doing job or anything. Try to kind of put in like at least 2-3 hours every day in crypto. Like understand the market, do a little bit of research, because this is where you can make amazing kind of money and life-changing opportunity as well for a lot of you. So I'm very excited, but let's look at the other coins as well, which are right now in my watch list. So one is the FTT. So FTT kind of went at the support level of the bottom of $61, and but still it's going up. And overall, I think it's the market started flying up. Okay, so it touched the support and then again started going up. I think it will go up as the complete market moves, but FTD is something you should keep a close watch on. It will pump like BNB. Okay, and so yeah, and also there's one more project that is the FTM. So FTM went like literally parabolic. Okay, and even this, if you see the like the graph of FTT as well, it started to move parabolic, but there was a little bit of market correction. But let's see if from here it goes parabolic. So, but keep a close watch on and be ready for that. Okay, and have a good bags. Okay, even FTM is something, it's a sleeping giant. It can wake up anytime, and once that happens, I think we might see a $5-10 FTM is quite possible. Still really underrated project, huge potential, and a lot of developments are going on. So keep a watch on this FTM projects. And Serum is the the SAM coin, I'll say. Solana ecosystem, it also started breaking out again. Overall, I think it will go parabolic. Personally, if you ask me, SRM, like the Serum, is still underrated. It's basically like Uniswap but for Solana. Okay, and it's doing well, and I think it will fly parabolic. Like if you see the daily, just look at it. Like wow, I thought it will break out, but then suddenly the market corrected. But again, it has a huge potential. So keep a close watch on this. Okay. So it can fly anytime. So have a good bag of this coin. SRM, I'm betting big on this coin. And then say Solana, which is favorite coin of all, like it went parabolic. This is crazy parabolic, by the way. And again, it corrected and it started pumping. Okay, this coin is a beast. It doesn't stop. Like literally, like even after their network was down for I think 10 hours, it still started picking up, and let's see how it does. Like but it has a huge potential, and there's a hype. And it's a SAM coin, so I'm pretty sure it will do great, and it will do great. For sure. But the trick is you need to pick. And also, guys, remember one thing. There's a momentum of coins. Say if you are sitting at a coin, the coin gets pumped, you immediately try to look at the next big opportunity. That's how you kind of increase your money quicker. Okay, otherwise if you just sit on the investment, like you'll not go anywhere. But also you need to sell at the right time. Okay, because the coins, they pump crazy. Or if you are a strong believer in the project, hold the bags, hold it. It doesn't matter, like it will affect, but it will again come back and stabilize at some price, which will be a good. Okay, and try to be careful. Okay, be careful with XRP. I do not recommend XRP. Don't try to avoid XRP, by the way. Kind of a lot of rumors, bad rumors are happening around it. So the next favorite coin is Cake. Okay, Cake, I think Cake is underrated. On 22nd September, they are launching their NFT marketplace, okay, and all the fees that is getting collected in those transactions and everything will be will be burned. So I think it will make cake deflationary, and the fees of the is already less. It's not like Ethereum, and the way I think it will be amazing. Okay, so I highly recommend keep a close watch on cake. I think it can break all-time high as well soon, and once the market picks up, okay, so and it will start flying. So yeah, then another project, I think dot is a lot of people, they say this is still underrated, and it is yet to pump. Okay, in terms of infrastructure, Ethereum pumped a little bit. Then all this other projects they started pumping, but the dot is yet to pump. So I think it can go to $100. It's just a matter of time, and good amazing projects are happening. Getting built on dot, and their parachains also options are happening. So it will bring a lot of hype around Polkadot. So Polkadot is the one of my favorite projects. And then next is the Sushi Swap. It's also a sleeping giant, guys. Okay, it can wake up anytime. You can see the pattern, like they are going down and again. So most of these are like they are like by this by December end, like they will go parabolic, most of them. Okay, but again, so try to see where is the momentum. Okay, try to understand where the volume increases. I'll be updating throughout the journey. I'm with you till December, like till the boom market is there, and we will be there in the bear market. And also, guys, one more interesting thing I wanted to share is what happens is you will make money in bull market, okay, but then suddenly the market will crash. But if you know when the market is going to crash, you can short the market and make crazy amount of money in just span of few hours. Okay, because the crypto market, when it goes down like crazy within just few hours. Okay, so like that Big Short movie you have seen, if you short the market. So I personally am looking forward to shorting the market when it goes at the peak, and because that's where I think you will like say if you have made say 10x, okay, like you made say you have say $1,000, you have made $10,000, okay, and then you can again make those 10,000 into like $30,000 to $50,000 by just shorting the market, but you have to be timing it right. Otherwise, you will get wrecked. Okay, whatever the gains you have, it will go to zero. And you might be negative also. So be careful. But again, that's where I think the big bet is. I'm pretty excited about it. And Theta, and I think Anjali commented in the last week that she wanted a review on Theta. So Theta, I think is a great project, amazing. But the price, the one only concern I have, the price keeps going between like that $6 to $7 range. It doesn't like it keeps flying over here. It has to break. There needs to be some massive news. They have the product live and all those things, but it needs amazing traction and like momentum, for it to fly a lot. Okay, so Theta is but again, it's a sleeping giant. Who knows, like they do something crazy and then the coin starts pumping. So yeah, but keep a close watch on Theta. And there's this also, I think someone in Vishnu, let me just check, I think Vishnu kind of commented this. Yeah, so Vishnu also wanted analysis on Chainlink. Okay, I picked up one coin and I added another because we don't have much time. So even Link is, I think it's also, it can go to $100. Polkadot, I think Solana already crossed that $100. So Chainlink, Solana, and Dot, these are the three pairs I used to recommend that they are going to cross $100 mark. And yeah, but this is also looking good. And I personally think this can also fly to $100. So, but again, there's a momentum in every coin. So keep a watch. Edge bar did amazing. I missed that, by the way, Edge bar. And even audio I sold very soon. Kind of just book the profit, but you can also have that ledger strategy. And also we crossed the golden cross. There's like the death cross was there here. Now we have this golden cross, so kind of the market is going up. And so let's see. Yeah, so this is the death cross over here. Like this is the 50 days moving average is at 200 day, and this is going up now. And I think the market will start, and it's already started pumping, by the way. If you look at it carefully, yeah, it already started pumping. Super excited about the next 3-4 months. Like, wow, like if you are not here, you are witness something really, really big. Stay and have some skin in the game and enjoy the journey. And guys, we are all going to make it. And guys, the coins, if you want me to kind of comment on, like, or do analysis of any coin, just share in the comments, okay? And I'll try to answer all of them, okay? But try to stick with 2-3 coins only, and I'll try to answer them. Also, do like, share, subscribe, and spread the word of this, and send all your love and energy. I love it. I want to do this more, and kind of, in such a busy schedule, I'm still trying to figure out and bring this, okay? So yeah, that's the thing. And also the Shibu, wanted to talk a little bit on news. So Shibu, pumped crazy, after getting listed on Coinbase. So yeah, this is really cute, by the way. So, and Elon Musk is crazy tweeting about it. We need that one more pump, like not one more, like we need a crazy pump. And even one really big news is Europe Union, they invested like around 117 billion in blockchain and other novel technologies. So I think they are going to invest, and I think major chunk of that will flow, a good chunk of that will flow in this blockchain and crypto ecosystem. So super excited. And also the golden cross I already talked about. So I think it will take the price at the next level, and let's see how the market flows, and super excited about it. Also, do like, share, subscribe, guys, and share your thoughts on the comments in the comments. And also, yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, I'll say, and we are all going to make it, guys. So that's the whole important aspect. And do put your thoughts in the comments, okay? Comment section. I'll try to cover all those points that you will mention in that. Thanks a lot, guys. See you all in the next week. Till then, keep shining, keep hustling, and we are all going to make it. Bye bye. Take care. See you.